5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
This is About Space, America's return to space, with news and information on our U.S. space program. Is your host of About Space, David Denault.
Welcome, and thanks for joining me today. It's the possible news that we've been waiting for. Well, it appears the James Webb Space Telescope has found an exoplanet K2-18b that could support life. That story is next as America and the world is listening to About Space today. Are you ready to fly away on a dream vacation? For cruises and all-inclusive resort vacations, call D&D Cruise and Tours at 877-747-8631. That's 877-747-8631. And see us on Facebook, D&D Cruise and Tours, where your dreams become a reality. Welcome back. Well, is it possible the James Webb Space Telescope has found a planet just 124 light-years away that has water and other life-producing elements?
First, let's talk about what we have all been waiting for with bated breath: the search for life elsewhere in the universe. A recent investigation conducted using NASA's James Webb Space Telescope on K2-18b, an exoplanet with a mass 8.6 times that of Earth, has uncovered the presence of carbon-based molecules, including methane and carbon dioxide. This discovery made by Webb contributes to recent studies that suggest K2-18b might be classified as a Hycean exoplanet, one potentially featuring a hydrogen-rich atmosphere and a surface covered by a water ocean. The initial insights into the atmospheric characteristics of this exoplanet within the habitable zone were initially gained through observations made with NASA's Hubble Space Telescope. These observations subsequently led to further research that has reshaped our comprehension of the K2-18b system. K2-18b orbits a cool dwarf star called K2-18, located in the habitable zone and situated 120 light-years away from Earth in the Leo constellation. Exoplanets like K2-18b, falling between the sizes of Earth and Neptune, are unlike any planets found within our solar system. The suggestion that K2-18b could potentially be a Hycean exoplanet is particularly intriguing, as some astronomers believe that such worlds hold promise as environments to search for signs of life on exoplanets. The presence of methane and carbon dioxide, along with the scarcity of ammonia, lends support to the hypothesis that K2-18b could potentially have a water ocean beneath a hydrogen-rich atmosphere. The initial observations by Webb also hinted at the possibility of detecting a molecule known as dimethyl sulfide, or DMS. On Earth, DMS is only produced by living organisms, with the majority of it being emitted by phytoplankton in marine environments. However, the inference of DMS on K2-18b requires further confirmation. Upcoming observations with the Webb telescope should be able to confirm whether DMS is indeed present in significant quantities in the atmosphere of the planet. The research team now plans to conduct follow-up studies using the telescope's MIRI spectrograph, with the hope of validating their findings more conclusively and gaining fresh insights into the environmental conditions of the alien world. Following this finding, NASA stated that their ultimate objective is the identification of life on a habitable exoplanet, a discovery that would revolutionize our understanding of our place in the universe. Now, a lot of things have happened lately, with the U.S. Congress officially holding a public conference for the first time about UFOs and aliens, and David Grush, a whistleblower, admitted that the United States does in fact possess crashed alien spacecraft and non-human entities. Also, Harvard professor Avi Loeb found fragments of an object that crashed into our ocean. He says it is from outside the solar system, and could possibly be alien technology. In both cases, we cannot say with absolute certainty if we have come in contact with anything alien. So, what does NASA have to say? NASA is reportedly preparing for the possibility of discovering alien life as part of its ongoing efforts to explore outer space. Dr. Michelle Fowler, a NASA scientist, recently revealed that the space agency has been hosting top-secret conferences to discuss how they should handle the situation if they do, in fact, find evidence of extraterrestrial beings. During a gathering in New York City, Dr. Fowler disclosed that meetings have been held to address the potential discovery of aliens. She further emphasized her belief that it is only a matter of time until alien life is found, given the vastness of the universe. The $10 billion James Webb Telescope, launched in 2021, is a key component in NASA's search for extraterrestrial life. The telescope's advanced technology and capabilities is allowing scientists to examine distant planets and analyze their potential habitability. In light of this, NASA is taking proactive measures to ensure they are prepared for the momentous discovery of alien life. The classified conferences serve as a platform for scientists and researchers to discuss and develop protocols on how to communicate and interact with any potential alien civilizations. It is believed that the discussions revolve around the ethical and practical considerations of making contact with another intelligent species. The scientists also contemplate the potential impact such a revelation would have on religion, society, and the general public. Although the details of the conferences are kept under wraps, it shows that NASA might have already found evidence of alien life. And, if NASA is discussing and developing protocols on how to communicate and interact with alien civilizations, I mean, come on. What do you think? Is it too early to assume that we have made the first contact? Or, have we just spotted a relatively advanced civilization from afar?
While more observations are necessary, K2-18b might be our first contact. Check out our Facebook page, AboutSpace.today, for launches and landings, and invite your family and friends to listen weekly. And be sure to join Don Meyer, our Space Coast News editor, this Friday for America in Space. And to all our listeners around the globe and here in the U.S., thanks for joining me. I'm David Denault, and this has been About Space Today.